Hello kids! Today, tuturuan ko kayo how to do synthetic division. Synthetic division is dividing polynomials without dividing. Paano pa ginagawa yun? Let's watch! Synthetic division. Actually, ang synthetic division, nagdi-divide ka ng polynomials, pero in the process, walang division na mangyayari. So, we have an example. Suppose we have 5x cubed plus 14x squared minus 7x minus 12 divided by x plus 3. So, una natin gagawin is we're going to equate our divisor, which is x plus 3, into 0. So you have x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then solve for x. So x is equal to negative 3. X equals negative 3. Gagamitin natin yan mamaya. Since we have x cubed, our highest degree, or the degree of our dividend, x cubed, x squared, x, and x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 will be represented by your constant. Okay. The purpose of writing x cubed, x squared, x to the power of 1, and x to the power of 0 is for you to write under that their numerical coefficients. So under x cubed, you have 5. X squared, you have 14. You have x to the power of 1, you have negative 7. And x to the power of 0 is negative 12. So that is your constant term. And then, yung x equals negative 3 kanina, you are going to use that as your multiplier later. So we're going to write the line and then addition. So since wala kang i-add sa 5, just bring down 5. And after that, you're going to multiply 5 to negative 3. You're going to write the product of 5 times negative 3 under 14. So 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. And then you're going to add 14 and negative 15. So 14 plus negative 15, that's negative 1. After that, i-multiply mo na naman ang negative 1 dun sa negative 3. And you're going to write the product under negative 7. So negative 1 times negative 3 is 3. So then after that, you're going to add negative 7 and 3, which is negative 4. So you're going to multiply again negative 4 and negative 3. And then you're going to write the product below negative 12. So you have 12. Negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. Add negative 12 and 12. So you have 0. So 0 will serve as your remainder. And negative 4 will be the constant term of your quotient. So, sulat mo ang negative 4. And then, the negative 1, lalagyan mo siya ngayon ng x to the power of 1. For example, a ang gamit, so a ang ilalagay mo dyan. Or y ang gamit, so y ang ilalagay mo. And then, your 5, yan yung x squared. Yan yung second degree mo. Then, therefore, the quotient, when you divide 5x cubed plus 14x squared minus 7x minus 12 by x plus 3, the quotient is 5x squared minus 1 minus 4. Mas madali siya kumpara sa long division because it will not involve variable and exponents along the process. Remember, synthetic division is only applicable if single variable lang siya. Mas madali lang siya gamitin kung single variable lang ang gamit or ang involved. Okay, let's have another example. Example number 2. Suppose you have 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 4x minus 15 divided by 2x plus 3. So, same process. Your divisor is 2x plus 3. Equate mo siya by 0. And then solve for x. Okay, transpose yung 3 to the right, so it will become negative 3. Divide both sides by 2, so your x will be equal to negative 3 halves. And then, same process, write your highest degree, x cubed, x squared, x to the power of 0, and the value of x that you're going to use as your multiplier. Okay, so under x cubed, isulat mo ang mga constants nila. So under x cubed, you have 2, and then you have 7 for x squared, and then you have negative 4, and you have negative 15. Then your multiplier, you have negative 3 halves, and then add. So you have bring down 2, multiply 2 to negative 3 halves, you will have negative 3. Write negative 3 under 7, and then add 7, negative 3, you have 4. Same process, multiply 4 to negative 3 halves, and then write the product below negative 4, dyan sa x to the power of 1. So you have 4 times negative 3 halves, you have negative 6. And then add negative 4 and negative 6, you have negative 10. Multiply again negative 10 and negative 3 halves, you will have positive 15. And then add negative 15 and positive 15, it will be equal to 0. Okay, so your remainder is 0. And since the leading coefficient of our divisor is 2, we are going to divide 2, 4, and negative 10 by 2. So you have 2 divided by 2, 1. And 4 divided by 2, 2. Negative 10 divided by 2, you have negative 5. So, yung 1, 2, and negative 5 will be the coefficients of our quotient. So, constant term, negative 5. And then, followed by 2x. And then, you have x squared. So, wala tayong yung remainder kasi 0 yung nasa rightmost result. Therefore, we can say that 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 4x minus 15 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 5. Okay. Sir, how about if our divisor is a trinomial? So, let's have an example number 3. You have 2x to the power of 4 minus x cubed minus 10x plus 23x minus 30 divided by x squared plus x minus 6. So, if your divisor is a trinomial, what you're going to do is you're going to look for your divisor, x squared plus x minus 6, get the opposite of the numerical coefficient of the terms with a lower degree. So, for example, you have x squared plus x minus 6 as our divisor. Ang term with lower degrees are x and negative 6. So, kunin mo ang opposite ng coefficient ng x, which is 1. So, ang opposite niyan is negative 1. While sa negative 6 naman, ang opposite niya is 6. And then, arrange mo yung mga terms from highest degree to lowest degree. So, you have x to the power of 4, x cubed, x squared, x to the power of 1, and your constant. And then, right below it, yung mga numerical coefficients nila. So, you have 2, negative 1, negative 10, positive 23, and negative 30. And then, yung negative 1 and 6 will serve as your multiplier. Okay? So, addition. Just bring down 2. And then, we're going to multiply 2 to negative 1 and 6. Okay, where are we going to write the product? So, you have negative 2 times negative 1. Isusulat mo siya dito sa below negative 1 sa x cubed na column. And then, 2 times 6, isulat mo naman yung product niya dito sa x squared na column. And then, after that, i-add natin ngayon yung mga numbers or coefficients below x cubed. That is, negative 1 and negative 2. Adding negative 1 and negative 2, you will have negative 3. Sunod, i-multiply na naman natin yung negative 3 to negative 1 and 6. So, negative 3 times negative 1, isusulat naman natin yung product nila dito ka naman sa x squared na column. And then, negative 3 times 6, isusulat mo naman yung product nila dito sa x to the power of 1 na column. So, negative 3 times 6, you have negative 18. Then, add mo na naman yung nasa x squared. So, negative 10 plus 12 plus 3, you have positive 5. Then, multiply 5 to negative 1. Isusulat mo yung product niya below x to the power of 1 na column. So, you have negative 5. 5 times 6, the product will be written below on x to the power of 0 na column. So, you have positive 30. So, adding, since wala ka nang i-multiply or wala ka nang i-bring down, so, i-add mo na lahat. So, add that numbers below on x to the power of 1 na column. So, you have 23 plus negative 18 plus negative 5. So, you have 0. And then, negative 30 plus 30, you have 0. So, since trinomial ang divisor mo, which is x squared plus x minus 6, you need to expect that your remainder will be a binomial. So, itong dalawang 0 dito sa right side, that will serves as your remainder. Okay? So, yung dalawang yan yung magiging remainder mo. So, therefore, your 5 will be your constant term of your quotient. Your negative 3 will be the first degree. We'll have the first degree of the term. So, you have negative 3x, and then you have 2x squared. Sir, what if our remainder is not 0 or not zeros? Okay, example, 3 ang lumabas, tsaka negative 2. So, your remainder will be 3x minus 2. Okay? So, pagsulat mo ng answer mo, you will have 2x squared minus, for example, ang remainder mo is 3x minus 2. So, your final answer will be 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 plus the quantity 3x minus 2 all over your divisor, which is x squared plus x minus 6. Okay? So, that's it. Please do not forget to like and share. I hope you learned something today. Follow nyo na rin ako to keep updated on new tutorial videos. If you want more tutorial videos, comment down below na lang para alam ko kung anong topics na gagawin ko ng video.